Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Although one thing I did notice the other day is it's been sitting on the centre stand and it's still showing no oil in here. When I laid it over on the side stand, the oil ran out, and then I took this cover off and just lost 50 millilitres of oil or something. But it's been back on the centre stand. Maybe it's a bit. Just get a torch. I guess that does sit a fair way, so it could be still a lot of oil sitting in the bottom section here. I think you are meant to run it when it's warm, turn it off and let it drop, and then where it sits, so maybe it's all drained out on the side stand, and when you stand it back up it doesn't naturally flow back in. But yes, okay, I'm happy with this, so I just got to wait for the rest of the parts in. The gaskets have turned up, so and new push rods turned up. There's a crankshaft seal and a jet in here that's turned up. That's due to be done at 20,000 Ks, and it's done just over 16,000. 17,000 now. So I decided to order those in, and I'll replace those now anyway. And yeah, I got some really good advice, and thanks to the subscriber, about doing the hydraulic lifters without having to split the crankcase. There's a way. They sent me a link on YouTube on a channel to show how to do it without you just take the top off. So I'm going to do everything in here first, then I'll take the rockers off and then test to see if there is any slop in the lifters. If there's not, I will put the top back on and start it and see if the problem has been solved by doing the work on the auto decompressor. And if that doesn't fix the noise, I will then take the top off and put the new hydraulic lifters in. They've been ordered, but they're still a couple of weeks away, I think, according to the tracking. So they're quite slow to get here to Australia. So yeah, so that's all for this one. And I'll bring you back when I'm ready to start taking this off again. Okay, that's all for now.